Yes, you can absolutely run a pop-up drink stand part-time, and many successful owners start out that way while keeping another job on the side. Think of a pop-up drink stand like a little lemonade stand that grows up, except you can set it up on weekends, after work, or just during busy events like farmers markets or festivals. Because you are not open every single day, your costs stay low, and you only need to buy ingredients and supplies for the days you actually plan to sell. One thing most people do not realize is that a lot of cities let you operate under a temporary or mobile vendor permit instead of a full commercial license, which is much cheaper and faster to get. This means you could literally test your drink stand idea on 2 or 3 weekends and see if people like it before investing a ton of money. Another neat trick is teaming up with local events like a food truck rally or a sports tournament, since those spots already have foot traffic built in for you. Because you are part-time, you also get the freedom to experiment with different drinks, locations, and hours until you find what actually works best for your area. One common mistake is not checking your local health department rules before you start selling, since even a small stand often needs some kind of food or beverage permit. A simple fix is calling your city or county health office and asking exactly what is required for a temporary drink stand before your first sale. Another thing people overlook is proper storage and ice management, because drinks warm up fast in the heat, and that can ruin your product or even cause health issues. Keeping a solid supply of ice and a good cooler setup solves this pretty easily and keeps your drinks fresh all day. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.